Yo, what's up, hustlers and future millionaires? Welcome back to Azor Global, where we turn Sapni into reality and struggle into Jugadu success. Tired of that 9 to 5 grind? Itching to be your own boss and make it rain money? Hold on to your chai, because today we're diving into zero investment business ideas in India. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's go! Okay, first things first. India is the land of opportunity. We've got more jugaad in our pinky finger than most countries have in their entire economy. Zero investment businesses use your skills, passion, and a bit of that Sharma Ji Ka Beta motivation. Whether you're a tech whiz, creative genius, or can sell ice to an Eskimo, there's a zero investment business waiting for you. First up, we've got freelancing, the ultimate freedom fighter of the business world. Imagine this: you, in your pajamas, sipping chai and making money by doing what you love. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are your new best friends, connecting you with clients from around the world. So, dust off that resume, polish up your skills, and get ready to say goodbye to your boss. Freelancing, my friend, is the future. Do you have a voice? A passion that burns brighter than the sun? Then, my friend, blogging is your jam. Share your thoughts, ideas, and unique perspective with the world. Build a community, connect with like-minded people, and monetize your passion through ads and affiliate marketing. Watch your blog transform into a money-making machine. Chapter 4: Affiliate Marketing. Become a sales superstar. No sales experience required. Ever wished you could get paid for recommending stuff you already love? With affiliate marketing, you totally can. Instead of just getting a free samosa, you get a commission on every sale you drive. Turn your online presence into a money-making empire. Chapter 5: YouTuber. Lights, camera, lakhs. Haven't we all dreamed of becoming the next big YouTube sensation? Imagine millions subscribing, watching your every move, and showering you with love. Whether you're a makeup guru, a gaming pro, or a comedian, there's an audience waiting. Grab your phone, unleash your performer, and conquer the world, one video at a time. Chapter 6: Dropshipping. Sell products without a warehouse or pants. Ever thought, I could sell stuff online, but I don't have a warehouse or a team of packing ninjas? Dropshipping is the answer. It's like being a middleman, but in a good way. Create an online store, list products, and the supplier handles packing and shipping. Perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs, low on capital, but high on hustle. Find your niche, create a killer website, and sell your way to the top. Chapter 7: Are you a design ninja with a creative mind that never sleeps? Print on demand is your calling. Create designs, upload to Printful or Printify, and they handle the rest. Focus on creating while they handle logistics. It's a win-win. Chapter 8: Social media is the new battleground for businesses. Every brand is fighting for attention and customers, but most businesses suck at social media. As a social media manager, you're the digital don. Create content, run ads, and analyze data like a pro. And the best part? You can do it all from home. Chapter 9: Are you a whiz kid in math or science? Can you explain complex concepts simply? Then online tutoring is your calling. With platforms like Vedantu, BYJUs, and Unacademy, demand for online tutors has skyrocketed. Dust off those textbooks, put on your teacher's hat, and get ready to educate the next generation. Chapter 10: Virtual Assistant. Be the ultimate sidekick. Entrepreneurs, bloggers, and celebrities need reliable virtual assistants to stay organized and productive. As a virtual assistant, you'll be the ultimate sidekick, the Robin to their Batman. Manage emails, schedule appointments, book travel, and handle social media. The best part? You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Pack your bags, grab your laptop, and be the virtual assistant extraordinaire. Chapter 11. Content Writing. Words that make money. In the digital age, content is king. Every website, blog, and social media platform needs fresh, engaging, and SEO-optimized content. As a content writer, you're the wordsmith, the storyteller, weaving magic with words. You'll write blog posts, articles, website copy, and social media captions. The demand for skilled content writers is higher than ever. So, sharpen your pencils, fire up your laptop, and turn words into wealth. Chapter 12. Podcasting. The sound of success. Move aside radio, there's a new player in town. Podcasting is taking the world by storm. It's like having your own radio show. Whether you're a true crime aficionado, a relationship guru, podcasting is a powerful way to share your passion. So, grab your microphone and find your voice. Chapter 13. Do you live and breathe Instagram? Do you have a knack for creating drool-worthy photos? You might just have what it takes to become an Instagram influencer. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers. You'll be paid to create sponsored posts and host live streams. But remember, authenticity is key. Find your niche and engage genuinely. Do that, and you'll be raking in the big bucks in no time. Chapter 14. Are you an expert in your field? Creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to financial freedom. Online learning is booming and people are always looking to upgrade their skills. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easy to sell your courses. Package your knowledge, share your expertise, and watch the passive income roll in. Chapter 15. Have you always dreamed of becoming a published author? Guess what? You don't need a literary agent or big publishing house. With ebook publishing, you can write, publish, and sell directly to readers. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy. Unleash your inner wordsmith and join the ranks of self-published authors. Chapter 16. Do you have an eye for design? Then, my friend, you're sitting on a gold mine. Graphic designers are in high demand. Every business needs a logo, a website, and marketing materials. Unleash your creativity, master design tools, and design your way to the bank. Chapter 17. Are you an expert in your field with years of experience? Have you solved complex problems and achieved remarkable results? Starting a consulting business might be your calling. Consultants provide expert advice and help businesses improve. Consultants get paid top dollar for their expertise. Chapter 18. Are you fluent in multiple languages? You can earn a good income translating documents, websites, and conversations. With globalization, the demand for skilled translators is higher than ever. Translate your way to financial freedom. Do you have a voice that could make 1,000 hearts swoon? Can you modulate your tone to convey a range of emotions? You might just have what it takes to become a voiceover artist. Voiceover artists are in high demand for commercials, audiobooks, and more. With digital media on the rise, opportunities are growing. Writing a killer resume is an art form. Job seekers struggle to showcase their skills and experience. As a resume writer, you'll help them put their best foot forward. Craft compelling resumes, cover letters, and LinkedIn profiles. Brush up on your skills, get certified, and help people achieve their career goals. Hold up, didn't we already cover this? Well, yes, but not really. While Instagram influencers are all the rage, don't underestimate the power of other platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and even LinkedIn. Each platform has its own unique audience and opportunities for monetization. The key is to find your niche, create engaging content, and build a loyal following. So, find your platform, unleash your inner influencer, and get ready to turn likes into lakhs. So there you have it, hustlers. 21 investment business ideas to turn you into an entrepreneur. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is action. So what are you waiting for? Pick an idea, start building your empire. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming. Peace out.